Elara lived in a village nestled beside the Whispering Woods. Old tales spoke of magic there. Most dismissed them as fanciful myths. Elara, however, believed. She spent her days exploring the forest's edge. She felt a pull, a silent invitation. One unusually warm afternoon, deep within the woods, sunlight dappled through the dense canopy. Elara stumbled upon a small, moss-covered stone. It was carved with intricate, swirling patterns. Embedded within its center was a locket. It was tarnished but undeniably beautiful. The metal felt cool against her fingertips. She tried to open it. It resisted. A faint, almost imperceptible whisper brushed past her ear. It wasn't wind. It was a voice, soft and ancient. It spoke of a lost melody. It spoke of a forgotten key. Elara clutched the locket tightly. Her heart pounded with a mix of fear and excitement. Over the next few weeks, the locket became her constant companion. The whispers grew clearer. They guided her. They led her to forgotten nooks in the woods. They pointed to peculiar plants. They hinted at cryptic riddles. Each clue was small. Each hint was subtle. Yet, they slowly pieced together a larger puzzle. The melody, the whispers explained, was not a song. It was a sequence of notes. These notes resonated with the forest's core. The key was not metal. It was a specific harmony. This harmony would unlock the locket's secrets. Elara began to hum. She experimented with different tones. She listened to the birds. She mimicked the rustling leaves. One evening, as twilight painted the sky in hues of orange and purple, Elara sat by a hidden spring. The locket lay open in her palm. The whispers were urgent now. She hummed a sequence of notes. They were soft. They were pure. A shimmering light erupted from the locket. It pulsed with an ethereal glow. The locket didn't open wider. Instead, a tiny, intricately folded map unfurled from within. It glowed with the same soft light. The map showed a path. It led to the deepest part of the Whispering Woods. It marked a place long rumored to hold ancient magic. It was the heart of the forest. Elara knew her journey was just beginning. The locket had revealed its first secret. Many more awaited her. She traced the glowing lines of the map. Adventure beckoned. The Whispering Woods, once a place of childhood wonder, now held the promise of a truly extraordinary destiny. She gripped the locket. She took a deep breath. She smiled.